So this one is going to be the folding technique. So to start off, we're just going to fold this over, and we want to make sure that it's not wonky. So line the edges of the paper, the edges of the fold up with the edges of the long bit of paper. There we go. Probably want it to be 1/2 centimetre or 1 centimetre. The next step that we're going to do, so this is how it works. It goes forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. So I'm going to just push it back, but when I push it back, I'm not pushing it back the whole amount. I'm only going to push it back just for half the amount. So just like that. So line it up with the edge of the paper so it's nice and straight and that it's not wonky, and then put a fold in place. So then when I bring it back forward, this is what it looks like, and I want to make sure that before I fold it, I've tried my best to get the next fold the same width as the first fold, and we want to try our best to do that every time to make sure that the folds are consistent. So there we go. Lining it up with the edges, making sure that it's not wonky. Right, we're going to go for that back fold again, but we're only folding it back just half the amount. Just like that. And again, just make sure that before you press down heavy, that it's actually in line and it's not wonky. So we're coming forwards again, and just making sure that our next fold is consistent and it's the same width as these ones. And there we go. So fold it back, it's just going to be half the amount. Fold it forward, and we just continue this until we've run out of paper. Making sure that all them folds are the same width. Once you've got the right amount for the box, we're ready to stick it down in place. I'm just going to pull that back a little bit. And there we go, that's the right amount. So this one's a little bit fiddly when you're gluing it into place. cover the box in glue. Then we're going to put that first fold down. Underneath we want to cover this in glue as well so that our folds can stick to it. A little bit under each layer. So that one's in place. That one's in place. That one's in place. And there we go.